Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Shiba Inu from crypto.com to Revolut in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, transferring assets like SHIB has become a breeze, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're looking to move your SHIB for trading, saving, or just experimenting with new platforms, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By 2025, advancements in blockchain tech make these transfers quicker and safer, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified crypto.com account with SHIB in your wallet and a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency deposits. Double-check that your Revolut app is updated to the latest 2025 version, as it includes enhanced crypto features. Oh, and always verify your balances to ensure you have enough SHIB for the transfer plus any network fees. Step 1. Open your crypto.com app and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet section and select SHIB from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main screen. Once you're in, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. For Revolut, this is the unique address provided in your Revolut app under the crypto section. Pro tip: copy and paste the address to avoid any typos, as mistakes can lead to lost funds forever. Next, in step 2, specify the amount of SHIB you want to send. Enter the exact figure, and don't forget to review the estimated fees. By 2025, these are often minimal thanks to faster networks like Ethereum's upgrades. Hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction with your app's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Now, switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto tab and keep an eye on your incoming transactions. It should show up in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. One more thing. Always be cautious of scams. Only use official apps and double-check addresses. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you send SHIB from crypto.com to Revolut in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and crypto savvy, everyone. See you in the next video.